Hi, it's me once again. This is Teacher Christy from Davao City National High School. This is the continuation of our lesson, Quadratic Equation. Now that you are able to find and describe the products of some polynomials, let's have a recall in your grade 8 lesson, which is linear equation. Do you still remember what linear equation is? Linear equation in one variable is an equation that can be written in the standard form. Bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's try to identify the linear equation. 2s plus 3t is equal to negative 7. Very good. C is equal to 12n minus 5. 8k minus 3 is equal to 12. And 6p minus q is equal to 10. Wow, great job. Now let's move to quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the following standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a must not be equal to 0. Ax squared is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term. Why do you think a must not equal to 0 in the equation ax squared plus bx plus c? Let's find out. If we let c is equal to 0, then ax squared plus bx plus 0 is equal to 0. It becomes ax squared plus bx is equal to 0. It is therefore a quadratic equation. If we let b is equal to 0, then ax squared plus 0 times x plus c is equal to 0, and we get ax squared plus c is equal to 0. It is therefore a quadratic equation. If we let b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0 at the same time, then we have ax squared plus 0 times x plus 0 is equal to 0. We got ax squared is equal to 0. It is still therefore a quadratic equation. If we let a is equal to 0, then 0 times x squared plus bx plus z is equal to 0. We got this. Bx plus c is equal to 0. It is not therefore a quadratic equation. Let's have an example. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in standard form, with a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to negative 3. Let's try another example. 3x times the quantity x minus 2 is equal to 10 is a quadratic equation. However, it is not written in standard form. To write the equation in standard form, expand the product and make one side of the equation 0. 3x times the quantity x minus 2 is equal to 10. Expand. It becomes 3x squared minus 6x is equal to 10. To make one side of the equation 0, we apply additive inverse. 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 10 minus 10. It becomes 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now the equation is in standard form, so we can identify a, b, and c now. So in the equation 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 6, and c is equal to negative 10. In example number 3, the quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 is equal to negative 6. This is a quadratic equation, but not in standard form. To write the equation in standard form, expand the product and make one side of the equation 0. In this case, we use the FOIL method. Quantity 2x plus 5 times x minus 1 is equal to negative 6. Apply FOIL method. 2x times x, 2x times negative 1, 5x times 5 times x, 5 times negative 1 and copy negative 6. 2x times x, we have 2x squared. Combine like terms, negative 2x plus 5, we have positive 3x, and copy negative 5 and negative 6. Apply additive inverse. 2x squared plus 3x minus 5, copy, plus 6 is equal to negative 6 plus 6. So the one side of the equation is now becomes 0. The equation 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is in standard form where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 1. Thank you.